This is my Ademco 1006 Deluxe series burglar alarm system. This is actually a 24-hour alarm system, and by it has a 24-hour day-night zone, and then it also has a night zone. This one here is a pretty simple device. It actually works on a 6-volt lantern battery. Most of you guys are not going to remember these systems because these were put in somewhere probably in the 50s, 60s, and 70s. This is actually pretty simple. You have this key switch here. You've got this meter which plays an important role in activating the alarm and arming it for the night. Plus you would also have a key switch which would shunt the door that you would come in and out of. Now, one downfall of this alarm system is it does not have an entry-exit delay. So the operator would have to arm up the system, walk out a door, stick a key in another key switch, which would actually enable the door contact on that door. Ademco had a 1000 series, which was just a basic single zone circuit, which is the same case, had the same dial needle here. I believe the same color emblem here. However, it would say night, circuit test, bell test, and off. This one here you can see says day, bell test, circuit test, and night. The inside is fairly simple. Basically all this system is just nothing but a sensitive relay over here. You have your bell clutch relay, and you have a warning buzzer. The Ademco 1000 series did not have this buzzer. Operation is pretty simple. When the user wanted to arm the system at night, he would take his Ademco key, stick it in the key lock, turn it to bell test. When he did that, the bell would ring off of the 6-volt lantern battery. After the bell has been tested, place it to circuit test. Now this meter here would go up to about 5 milliamps. That meant that all doors were closed. If everything was okay, it was safe to put the system at night. Once he would come in, he would stick his key in, turn it to off, and he'd be good to go for the day. Now this has 2 zones I mentioned. One is the alarm, general alarm, and the other one is a day-night zone. Usually on that zone you'd put window foil, anything that you wanted to monitor for breaks or intrusion. When this was put in day, if the window foil would break from somebody scratching it or disabling it, a warning buzzer inside would go off and it would report to the central station. This actually used leased lines, so it would reverse the polarity. The circuit test actually checks the circuit batteries, which were nothing but 2 1.5 volt batteries wired in series to give you 3 volts, and you'd put that at the very end, the last device. Nowadays you'd put an end-of-line resistor there because the panel would provide the power for the zone, but back in the old days when this was manufactured, that wasn't the case. So once you stuck this to circuit test, if that rung stayed at 0, that means that your batteries were dead and you didn't have enough milliamps to secure the system, and it would go into alarm if you stuck it at night. That's the 24-hour police alarm.